This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Julie Brown. 2-bed septic installed on lot. Water installed on lot. Septic inspection and as-built sketch on file with the county. Additionally, site plan for 2-bed, 2-bath architectural drawings completed available for serious offers. Build your dream cabin. Mount Baker Rim Gated Community. Easy access to Mount Baker ski area, hiking, mountain biking, river rafting and fishing. Gated community includes 2 tennis courts, clubhouse, social events and community pool, as well as central garbage pickup, and snow plowing when needed. For more information, review the details below.